Good.
Hi guys, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I've got Mary here.
Hello.
And her son Fasal, and Mary's got 8 kids, okay? And so far, Lord willing, only this, but so far, 2 of her kids have been diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. And you came in here last week, just to try some of the stuff.
Yeah.
And what happened with his blood sugar?
Well, breakfast is always the hardest meal of the day because they haven't eaten all day. And he had some of her cake mix, chocolate cake mix with a little bit of whipped cream that I just made, fresh. And his blood sugar did not
Skyrocket.
It didn't move. It was.
Yeah, so when he first was diagnosed, the blood sugar monitor wouldn't even register how high his blood sugar was. It was that high. And then what did you say, normally in the mornings it's like over 200?
Normally it shoots up almost no matter what they eat. It'll go up over 200 and then, get the insulin brings it back down eventually. But
So this was after eating.
he didn't take any insulin.
Yeah.
This mix at all. This is just the mix. And this is really always the key for me to see what works with their bodies.
Amen.
And I was completely shocked. So,
And you know what, guys? This is what I want you to understand too. Like, if you're a diabetic or you're trying to lose weight and do low carb, you can eat meat and salad, and it won't necessarily raise your blood sugar, but it's also not going to drop your blood sugar. These mixes are specifically designed to be heart healthy, and so they don't just drop blood sugar; they drop blood pressure. They work for everything. So I'm not a diabetic, and sustains it. See that? I don't know if you can see what his, it doesn't spike up and down. It just stays constant.
Yeah.
So that's important. Is there anything else you want to say? You know more about diabetes than me.
no, I'm sure that the fiber in the mixes are going to help
Yes.
the system just in general. I'm going to start using them more consistently.
Yeah.
And we're big foodies, like I was just telling her, and these are absolutely delicious. I was very pleasantly
Yes,
surprised.
you can't stick to something if you don't like it. That's why I tell everybody, when you eat this food, you just gotta pretend like you're eating and you're not on a diet. Okay, and the nice thing is this Healthy Treats Market is sustainable. Like, you're not gonna lose the weight and then gain it and lose it and gain it. Because all you're doing is eating normal food, but instead of bread, you eat my bread, and instead of desserts, you eat my desserts, and that's it. I mean, that's that's 30 seconds of how Healthy Treats Market works. So that's what you need to do, guys. So come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com. You can shop there. There's a recipe book there, which I'm gonna put on your phone.
Yeah.
There's you can even just type pizza in the search bar if you're craving pizza, and all my pizza recipes will come up for you. Okay, guys? And it's so quick, yes, delicious and quick. I'm telling you, that's what we're known for. My whole recipe book. If it's more than a minute to throw together and 2 minutes in the microwave, I don't even post it. So every recipe you see is a simple, easy recipe. Okay, guys? Do you want to say anything else? No? Okay, thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.